Okay, this is the second time I'm doing this because I started talking and I never hit record. So this is 6.NSO.2.1, and it is decimal multiplication only by using place value. So the beauty of this standard is that you don't actually have to multiply anything. You're literally just counting loops. You're making things match. That's it. So I went ahead and I wrote down 3 different question types that go along with the standard. And I kind of just use one example of each because I promise you I think it's easier than what I was having you do, which is crazy to me, but whatever. So this would be you making something match. So it says, which of the following expressions is equivalent or equal to 4 and 56 times 0 and 31 thousandths? So if you can see the answer choices, the only thing that changes is the power of 10. Everything says 456 times 31 divided by, the only thing that's different is the power of 10 they're using. So you're literally just making and counting loops. If you start at the back of the number, that would be 1, 2 loops for this one. This would be 1, 2, 3 loops for this one, and 2 plus 3 would get you 5. So, sorry, I can't write and hold the paper at the same time. You're looking for something that has 5 zeros, right? So I know that it's not A because that says 100. I need 5 total loops. Not B, that says 1,000, 3 zeros, but I have 5 total loops. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. I need 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So by default, I have D. That's it. You're not actually solving anything. There's no work. You're making and counting loops. That's it. Second question type says the product 89 times 76 equals 6,764. They're not even making you do it. They're telling you that. Use the previous fact to evaluate the decimal. So they're using similar numbers, 89, 76. They're telling you that the number, the answer, the product is 6764. There is no decimal here, but there is 1 decimal there. So 1 loop, 1 loop. That's it, done. 676 and 4/10. You're making and counting loops. That's it. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 41 and 1/10 times 0 and 55 hundredths? You're making and counting loops. The only thing that's different is the power of 10. That's it. This all says 411 times 55 times either 1 100th, 1 1,000th, 1 10,000th, or 1 100,000th. But that is 1 loop here. That is 2 loops here. So 1 loop and 2 loops, I need something that would give me 3 loops. But the only thing that would have me looping 3 times are these 3 zeros. That's it. Quickest video I've ever made, okay? There's gonna be 4 questions that go along with this. They're gonna mimic these things. You are making and counting loops. That is it.